Hi everyone. I'm going to show you what to do today if your work looks a little bit off. If you notice, this swatch is a little bit wider down here on the foundation chain end and more narrow at the top. This is just single crochets, and I started out with 11 stitches. And at the top, I've counted my last row and it is 11 stitches. However, I haven't changed hook sizes, my tension is the same, but it's not right. So let me show you why it's not right. On each row, I've done my single crochets, but it got smaller every time because there's no turning chain. So to make sure that we have a turning chain, you come to the end of your row. I've got 11 single crochets, and if I turn and I think, oh wait, did I do my turning chain? Well, I can look right here, and this is my last stitch. There's 2 loops there. That means I finished the stitch. But when I do a turning chain, there's only 1 loop. So that's just a quick way to check to make sure that you're working your turning chain. And when you work your rows, remember that when you come to the end, it doesn't matter if you turn before or after, but it does matter if you do your turning chain. Don't forget your turning chain, or you're going to end up with a little triangle instead of a square or a rectangle. So when you get to the end, you do your last stitch. Now I like to chain 1 first and then turn. Now, but it doesn't make any difference. You can still turn and then chain, but the way that you make sure that you have chained is you just look for that 1 little loop. If there's 2 loops, you haven't done your turning chain.